Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. This is my mother and I have just made her watch Manjumal Boys on Disney Plus Hotstar. So I had watched it in the theater before, but I wanted her to watch it because this is so her genre. So we are going to react to the film. What did you think about the movie?
I think the movie was amazing. To be honest, initially I did not know it's based on a true story. After a point, I was feeling it's over dramatic that his friend is going all the way down to fetch him, and after such a big fall, how can anyone survive? But as the movie picked up, I think it was just so engrossing. I just was enjoying every minute. But yes, till the end, I felt they could have come to the genuine climax, as the history says that none of them have survived from the fall. But only when I got to know it is a true story, I felt wow, hats off. Hats off to that friend.
Yeah, honestly, even when I was watching the movie in the theater, I was like, "Ki, how did he not even go to coma? And like he didn't die. That's a very big thing. But that part, that twist that he showed in the middle when Shobin Shire goes down to, like, he meets Subhash, and Subhash just like holds his neck and he's like, "You're going to die."
Correct. And again, when the minute they start lifting them, and again, there's a twist when the body, when that friend of his, whom he's tied, he goes down, and suddenly, even that cop they show is
Yeah.
almost in the pit. And I was like, oh my god, now what? But
The entire movie, we were like, what is going to happen? Is he going to survive? At one point, I thought that both of them will die.
Exactly, and even I felt when that rope got stuck in that rock and there was no way of escape and the communication was a problem. I mean, I felt now what will he do? Will he untie his friend and let him go and pull himself up? What will he do? But yeah, the movie was full of twists and turns.
But it's so much like about morality and humanity. Like, in today's world, I don't think any of my friends would do that, how much ever they love me. Or even if I am in such a position, I would cry forever or I would stay there for like more than 3 months. But I don't think I would have the guts to go down a death's cave.
To be very honest, when they were showing the sequence where the cops are convincing each other go down, and I kept wondering why is not one of his friends volunteering? Okay, can we go down? One of us should go down. And when that friend volunteered, I was like, bravo. I mean, this guy has got some guts.
Yeah, seriously, like morality, humanity, and like I've noticed, like in the movie also, there were a lot of things about how the police is. If they didn't want the alcohol, they didn't want to waste time, they were actually wanting to go on the go. To shayad they could have done this long time back instead of wasting so much time and just like talking among themselves and blaming the boys for doing it. Like, which boy would do that? Why would?
Yeah, but then I feel maybe it's very convenient for them that one who falls is dead.
Yeah.
They don't want to make an effort because even the people around they don't make an effort. But these guys they were stuck there for their friend and they did not want to leave no matter what. I think that is when the cops were forced to take an action.
Yeah, they were. I think that if the boys would not have gotten, the cops would really not. And that scene where he's like, you go buy alcohol, cigarettes, matches, and he forgets to tell them, get a rope and everything. Like, it just shows how not interested police is, but it also comes with history because everyone who's fallen in that pit has not survived. So they knew that they're just wasting time, so rather just
Accept it
Accept it.
and move on.
earn money, move on. These boys have come, they'll forget about it in 2 years max. I think that was the attitude they had.
And I really feel the friend who had the courage to go down. I mean, what message I liked was they were showing how they were in childhood, how they were helping each other. And I think the message was beautiful that when we are young, we are very fearless. We are there for each other. We are not selfish. We don't have great responsibilities. But as we grow, we get into the trap. We want to think about ourselves first. And I think with age, we all become selfish, full
More
of
than selfish, I think we know in our mind that what we are getting to. When you're a child, you don't know what is the future like. You're just doing it, and at that time, your friends are the most important thing in the world. But I think when you grow up, you realize that okay, this is not a decision that I should make. Let's be practical about it more than just wanting to have fun because you have responsibilities on your shoulder.
the journey when they began, when they all 10 drive to for their picnic, it was very cute. And when they enter the jungle, they see fence everywhere and they joke around, is it a zoo or is it a forest? And it was very
Yeah.
cute. And when they walk ahead and they say, आगे तो जाके दुबई होगा शायद. And it was quite funny initially, but yeah, it became intense with time. True.
I have been to Kodai Canal, I've been to the cave, and I just did not like my trip at all. And when yeah,
When I went, I really enjoyed. Maybe you had a bad company.
so I had the worst trip ever. And when these boys are having fun, I was like, shit, I want to go back again. But now I'm like, no, it's better I stay home.
Yeah, I've read about these caves that it is most haunted, and then many people get trapped and they get lost. And I genuinely never heard of this incident, but
Even I didn't know that something like this happened. In fact, we even had a tour guide, and I went before 2008, but nobody ever told us that something like that has happened. It's an incredible story. I was shunned. Acting, what did you think about the acting? It was an ensemble cast, and most of the actors are known. And the good part about it was that I think all the actors were given importance. It was not just 2 actors or 3 actors as the primary actors. Everyone had equal importance, and like they had great chemistry. The comic timing was nice. Please watch it in Malayalam, guys. Don't watch it in Hindi, because like the songs, the rap in the start.
I agree because I honestly I wanted to watch it in Hindi, but she kept saying that no, we will not enjoy because there are some things what Hindi dialogue spoils the fun.
Of course, because somebody else is dubbing their emotion, like small nonsense like that just get lost in translation because of it. So I urge everybody that if you're watching this movie on Disney, please watch it in Malayalam. You will get used to the subtitles in less than 2 minutes. That's a promise. Apart from the acting, I think 2 of my favorite things about the movie: great story, amazing everything, but the cinematography.
Oh my god, it was so inviting. I mean, I kept feeling, oh my god, even we should go there and experience that beautiful rocky area, and especially when they show the path he's going down. It's all rock, it's so dark, even with that head torchlight. He says, I cannot see anything. You get so imaginative that how dark it may be, how intense it may be. Till then, I yet did not know it's a true story, and now that I know, I think I want to watch it again to feel the emotions more, correctly. I think it was brilliant.
That scene where the child jumps into the water, cut to him falling down. Both of us were like, oh my god, how did they shoot that? It was so well shot. I think the colors were great, and the way he showed it was like eerie but still beautiful, and spooky but still intense. Like, I think the cinematography is out of the world. It's a very difficult movie to shoot. It's not easy. You're not like shooting in open land, you're shooting in caves. You have to show, and like the camera movements they've done inside the cave to make it look so real, like a documentary. It was just like insane. I think the camera work was amazing, and the second, I really like the music also.
Yes. I feel the music was very good.
Yeah, it was like fun in the start, and the boys are being boys till the time the incident happens, and then it's all like intense and quiet. But of course, music has played such a big part in it. I think the cast, the music, the story, everything about the movie is just perfect. There is nothing that I'll be like, yeah, this can't happen. Yeah, this is too much. Especially when you come to know that it's a true story. It's insane. Because my mom was watching, I knew that it's a true story, so I was just like enjoying her reaction. And while she was watching the movie, she's like, how is he not in coma? How is he alive? Maybe when Shobin Shire goes down, he's going to be dead. This is nonsense. He cannot be alive. But I kept on telling her, watch it as a movie and enjoy. Of course, she was enjoying it, but she could not come up with the fact that, someone who has fallen like this is alive. And then when she saw it based on true story, she's like, what? This actually happened? I cannot believe it.
Yeah, I think I was playing the cops part where even I wanted to believe history says nobody comes out alive. So I think I just wanted to give in ki haan mar gaya hoga, chalo let's move on, like let's accept the fact.
Yeah. I think Manjumal Boys is so good. I want everybody to watch it. I wish I had taken my mother to the theater, but I could not. But I hope that it re-releases in Mumbai and all of us can watch it, because it's definitely a film that should be watched in the theater for the experience of watching it in the theater, and it's a movie that everybody should watch no matter what. And if supposing, I have a question. I was fallen into the pit, what would you do?
I would definitely come down to see.
Rubbish. Rubbish. Now you're saying because you know that it's possible in life. Be practical. What would you do?
No, if I would, no, I would definitely want to come down and search for you. Definitely. As a mother, I feel I would. But yes. As
Also, what I liked is that in the end, when like they come back to Manjumal and his mother was not liking the fact that Shobin Shah did not take care of his friend, jabki he promised his mother that I'll take care of him. He didn't like retaliate to it. He understood what the mother was going through and he was just quiet because I understand they were all in trauma and they didn't know what to do. But in that situation, if a mother would come and shout at me, I would be like, do you know what your son has gone through and what I've done? You have no right to shout at me. But he was such a
calm person. I totally agree
Hello?
to that. Yes, nor did they make it a big thing. They did not spread the word amongst the crowd. I mean, no one knew until the paper clipping
Yeah,
said it.
yeah.
Until then, nobody knew about that fact.
Yeah.
So, yes, definitely that was a very kind gesture from all of them that they did not hype it up and they just protected their friend and they
Yeah.
thought it was their duty and
Yeah.
as a friend they just proved their friendship basically.
did.
Yes,
Honestly, they
agreed,
did.
agreed.
And even that part where everybody, like when they came back to the bonfire and they were making him have water, and the villagers came and they're like, he's God, touch his feet. I was like, sure, he's gone through a lot and he's in trauma right now, but real God is Shobin Shahir.
Yes.
The friend who saved him.
Yes,
I'm sorry,
yes.
she does not know names, of course. She doesn't watch too many movies, but yeah.
Yeah, no, that's true. Even I felt that actually he should be the one whose feet should be
Yeah.
touched because he took the courage to step down, go deep down. Only even when the rope,
Yeah.
they felt ki now the rope is, we are done with the rope. We don't have an extra rope. He did not give up hope. He said, no, I yet want to go deeper or else I'll untie myself.
Yeah.
So definitely he was a god there at that
sure.
moment,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
sure. Yes.
Yeah, even I was like, guys, touch his feet. He needs the importance. He doesn't need the importance, but deserves the importance because that is just act of humanity right there. I cannot believe that someone has taken such a drastic
I
step.
agree. I truly agree. Even I just cannot get over the fact that somebody had the courage to do that.
Yeah.
Really, you need courage to do that.
And I don't even blame the police over here, like the three marshals who were kind of ready to go down because even they understood that this is a death's cave. Even we have family. In order to save someone's life who we don't even know or will meet ever again, are we going to die ourselves? So I don't blame them completely. I blame the police in the start for taking so much time and doing a little bit of corruption and for money and alcohol and all. But I don't blame the young cops that they didn't.
Yeah, and even I feel they're so used to these kind of masti what boys keep doing around. So I think they must be just feeling ki, okay, there's one more case because they keep saying that, oh, we all come, we all do
Yeah.
fun and we have to go
Yeah.
through the mess.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can't blame the cops. Yeah.
But all in all, it's a great film. Of course, we've given spoilers, but watch it. You're going to enjoy it. It's well directed, well shot, amazing music, great acting. It's a perfect 10 on 10 film. And I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the movie in the comments below because I'm so excited to read everything that you guys tell me. And thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Please watch. Thank you.